Hello students, today I am going to start with the grammar part, that is active and passive voice. Active means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. Passive voice means that a subject is a recipient of a verb's action. Now come to the next part, how we have to start with the active to passive voice. In this active to passive voice, first of all we should know the parts of the sentence. What is a sentence? Sentence have three parts: subject, verb and object. What is a subject? Subject is a person or thing about which we are talking in the sentence, or the person or thing which is doing something. What is a verb? Action. Action words. Doing words are called verb. What is an object? Object is the person or thing on whom activity is done. Now in this way you should know what is active and passive voice, what is a sentence and what are the parts of the sentence, and the parts of the sentences are subject, verb and object. So let's start with the important thing, that is how we have to change active to passive voice. I am taking the example to explain you the active to passive voice. And the example is Sita writes a novel. Sita is what? This is a subject. Write. What Sita is doing? She writes. That is a verb. And what she writes? A novel. That is your object. So what she writes? She writes a novel. So that's why who is Sita? Sita is a girl. So that is a subject. What she writes? She writes a novel. That is the object. Okay, so what Sita is doing? She writes. So that is a verb. So this is very important for the active to passive voice, that what is a sentence. Sentence needs subject, verb and object. And while changing active to passive voice, we should know what is a subject, what is a verb and what is object, because we have to change subject to object and object to subject in this process. Sita is doing something. What she is doing? She is writing something. So that's why active to passive, while we are doing active to passive, we have to change something. We have to change subject to object, object to subject. Never change the tense. That is very important. While we go through the tenses, how we should not change the tense, I will explain you. And we have to use the verb third form in the passive voice. While the passive voice are there, we have to change verb as a third form. Always we have to use verb third form in the passive voice. Now you have to go through the chart of active and passive. First of all, I want to tell you that there are 12 tenses, and the tenses are present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. In this way we have 12 tenses. But while making active to passive voice, we have to change only 8 tenses, and they are present simple, present continuous, present perfect, past simple, past continuous, past perfect, simple future, future perfect. Now let's start with the chart of the active and passive. While you have simple present tense, you have to use verb first form with s or es. But when we have to convert passive voice, we have to use is, am, are plus verb third form. Like the same way, this is a simple present, does not, do not, this is also simple present. And while making passive voice, we have to use the same way, is, am, are, and use not, because this is a negative sentence. Just see, the verb third form is everywhere. So this is very important, that you have to use only verb third form while making passive voice. Now come to the next tense. This is a present continuous. Present continuous जो helping verbs are is, are, am plus verb. With verb first form we have to use ing. But making passive voice, we have to use is, are, am, being plus verb third form. In present perfect, we have to use has and have in active voice, but in passive voice we have to use has, have, been plus verb third form. In present past simple we have to use verb second form, and in passive we have to use was, were plus verb third form. The same way simple past did not is used, but while using did not we have to use verb first form. So this is a past simple, and the passive voice the helping verbs are was, were plus not plus verb third form. And this is past continuous. Past continuous helping verbs are was and were plus verb first form with ing. This is in active voice, but in while making passive voice we have to use was or verb plus being plus verb third form. Present perfect we have to use had plus verb third form, and passive voice we have to use had plus been plus verb third form. Simple future we have to use will and shall in active voice, and in passive voice we have to use in simple future will or shall plus beb plus verb third form. In future perfect tense we have to use will have, shall have plus verb third form, but while making passive voice we have to use in future perfect will have, shall have plus been plus verb third form. And these are the sentences which are conditional. If we have used can, could, may, might, would, should, must, need, ought to, have to plus verb third form, we have to change these things in passive voice. Can, could plus be plus verb third form, may, might, be plus verb third form, would, should plus be plus verb third form, must, need plus be plus verb third form, ought to, have to plus be plus verb third form.